Okay, then now start. This is the directly depend on the groundwater pollution. Directly depend on the industrial wastewater disposal and irrigation purpose. They use the many types of fertilizer. So they use the many type of fertilizer such as urea and phosphate in the day to day in the for the farming time. Okay, this is the all are the discharge ID discharge of the through the seepage so to the in the groundwater is the groundwater. This is the groundwater is the pollute. Okay, the groundwater pollution is the main part. Okay, this is the support of the system. This is the main water polluted from the industrial and the irrigation purpose. Okay, this is the process of the groundwater quality disturb the groundwater quality. Okay, then now the what is groundwater? Okay, what is groundwater? Anyone define what is groundwater? Anyone can define? This is the layer of the groundwater. How to surface area groundwater this to the ground surface. Okay, anyone define what is groundwater? No, this is the groundwater is the accumulates underground. The groundwater is water that accumulates underground. It can exist in a space between loose particles of dirt and rocks. This is the space between loose particles of dirt and rocks or in cracks and areas in rocks. Different types of rocks and dirt can contain different amount of water. Okay, this is the different types of rocks and dirt contain different amount of water. Okay, so this is the groundwater is the water present beneath earth surface in rock and soil pore space and is the feature of rock formation. Okay, so in this image, this is the capillary water. This is the rocks in the between. Okay, and the saturated water. Okay, the first layer is the soil, second are rocks, the third is saturated rocks, and then is the cracks and this is the groundwater. Okay, so this is the groundwater image. Okay, then now characteristics of groundwater. This is the characteristics of the groundwater. Temperature, turbidity, color, and mineral content. Okay, the temperature is equal to all which seasons. This is the groundwater. Temperature is equal all which seasons, and the turbidity is low or nil. Color due to about all dissolved solids, and mineral content is the largely constant. Okay, these are the characteristics, and this is the groundwater. Okay, the temperature is equal to all seasons. Temperatures equal to all the seasons. Okay, temperature is low or nil. If groundwater temperature is the low, color due to about all dissolved solids. Okay, this is the table of the psychochemical characteristics of groundwater sample. This is the bore wells numbers of bore wells. This is the name of locations. Okay, this is the type of the actually this example of the psychochemical of the groundwater sample. How to take the this type of the and sorry, this is the location, this is the numbers of the test of the how much content available in the water. Suppose TDS. Okay, you test the pH, hardness. Okay, TDS, TS, calcium, magnesium, sodium, NO3, K, potassium. Okay, ferrous, chlorine, SO4, chromium, Cu, HNS. These such are the psychochemical characteristics. Okay, in the available the groundwater sample. These are the main types of bore well. Okay, these are different result. Fine. Okay, this is the psychochemical analysis of the groundwater sample. Okay, there's a pH vary between the all 7.6 to 8.2, 7.4, 7.5, 7.2. This is the pH value. The pH value is vary between the 6.8 to 8.4. Okay, Now this is the TDS, TS, calcium, magnesium, all are the there. The source of groundwater. The source of groundwater. The groundwater hydrological cycle. This is most of the Earth's water is source get their water supplies from the precipitation. The average annual rainfall in the country is the 1194 mm. 1194 mm. This is the average annual fall. Okay, this is a water cycle. You how to take the water from the groundwater, then the precipitation, the storage, all are the. This is the cycle of the hydrological cycle. The survival by whale and tube whales. Currently 19 million whale in India. 90 million whale in India. The survival by whale and tube whale. Okay, 19 million whale in India. This is survive. Many persons survive from the whales and tube whale. Okay, this is the sources of groundwater. You all are about the hydrological cycle. You all are known. Okay. Then now depth of groundwater. The depth of water level generally ranges from the 10 to 40 milligram barrel. Depth of water level generally ranges from the 10 to 40 meter. Okay. In major parts of northwestern state and Rajasthan, Haryana and Delhi, etc. Okay. Almost major parts of Rajasthan water level of more than 40 meter is recorded. More than 40 meter. Okay, so this is the number of whales showing depth of water level. Okay, the different ranks January 2016 to India. Okay, so this is a depth of water. This is a number of Monty station. Okay, this is a 0 to 2 meter. This is 1371. Okay, station 4952 is a 2 to 5, 5 to 10. So these are the range. And given that the depth of water level, okay, is the value of water level. You have to say now how to get the water from the big distance. Okay, it's about 10 to 40 meter. The 10 meter about to कितना feet हुआ? How much feet? How much feet? Meter, approx 35 feet. Okay, you get the water in Rajasthan, Haryana and Delhi after the 35 feet. You get the depth and you find the water. Okay. Then the groundwater used in India. About 85% of the groundwater sources are drawn from for irrigation and domestic industries. 85% groundwater source are drawn for the irrigation and domestic and industry. Okay, 35% of water use the groundwater. Then groundwater is in Delhi, Haryana, Punjab and Rajasthan is more than 100%, and in states of Gujarat, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Uttar Pradesh it is more than 70%. The report of the CWB report 2006 is the reference. Okay, how to get the reference from the groundwater used in Delhi, Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan is more than 100%. Okay, but the state Gujarat, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh is more than 70%. Okay, causing imbalance between over withdrawal of the groundwater and in different registrations. Okay, descending parameter fall in the water table every year to the turn over 2 to 3 meter. Fall, matlab below. The water level, your water level every year down, go to the decreasing order. Okay, the 2 to 3 meter. Then upcoming 10 to 15 years, your water is very problem is a big problems of water. Okay. Then now source of contamination in groundwater is the source. The source of contamination water, domestic water waste, industrial waste, soluble effluent, runoff from urban areas and agricultural waste. These are the source of the contamination in the groundwater. This is the showing the image. Okay, how to contaminate the water. This source is industrial waste. Okay, so industrial waste and waste water directly disposed in the reverse lake. So these are the contamination of groundwater. This is the industrial waste. lightly disposed in the open area. Okay, then after the rain, there are all types of industrial waste. These are lightly disposed in the lightly discharged day to day, layer to layer in the groundwater. They follow the lightly groundwater. Domestic waste is the same process. Soluble effluent, agricultural waste. Okay, the runoff from the urban area. This is showing the urban runoff of the urban area after the rain. Okay, this is the source of the contamination in the groundwater. Then now groundwater pollution in India. Okay, this is the pollution different parts of India risk zone. Average fertilizer in consumption. This is a kg per hectare. Average NO3 in the groundwater. Groundwater development under region. Okay, the liters little or no risk. Little or no risk, low risk, moderate risk, high risk, and okay. This is the different divided in the four parts: no risk, low risk, moderate, and a high. Okay, so the no risk is the two. Okay, the average fertilizer in consumption kg 2 hectare kg per hectare 6.8 milligram per liter. This is a NO3. Okay, there is no risk less than 2. Okay, and the reason is the northeastern state. This is JNK. Okay, the low risk the state is the as Haryana, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh. Okay, Odisha. These are the under the low risk. Okay, the 4 to 11 kilogram per hectare. This is under the low risk. And the average 8 to 45 milligram per liter is the low risk under the ground average NO3 in the groundwater. And the development 5 to 22. This okay percentage. The reason is the this state. Moderate risk. This is the average the 40 to 50 kg per hectare. This is the UP, Uttaranchal, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, and Gujarat. These states are the under the moderate risk. The high risk, the Punjab and Haryana. This is the HP is the Himachal Pradesh. Okay, sorry. Okay, high risk is the Punjab and Haryana. This is the average fertilizer 118 to 163. Actually, many types of fertilizer used in the Haryana and Punjab will be farming time. Okay, so the average fertilizer consumption 118 to 163 per kg per hectare. Okay, this is a high risk state, Punjab and Haryana. Okay, NO3 is a 55 to 100 milligram per liter, and the groundwater development percentage 20 to 100. The state is the Punjab and Haryana. Okay, this is the high risk. And moderate risk is the UP, Bihar, Jharkhand. Okay, Uttaranchal, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, and Gujarat. This is the comes under the moderate risk. This is the groundwater pollution in India, different parts of the India. Okay, this is the risk zone. Then now, this is the water quality according to the Bureau of India, BIS standard. Okay, this is the PS value is 6.5 to 8.5. Okay, this is the highest desirable limit and the maximum permissible limit. Okay, highest and maximum, permissible and desirable. TDS is the desirable is the 500. Okay, according to the BIS. And the maximum permissible 2000. Total hardness 300 and the 600 maximum. TA 200, calcium twice plus to the 25, magnesium 30, chlorine 250, SO4 200. Okay, these are the BIS 1991. This is the follow the BIS. This is the highest desirable limit of the water quality parameter, and the maximum permissible limit of the quality parameter. This is the given show. Okay. Then now major groundwater issues. What is the issue of major groundwater? Over exploration of the resources contamination both geologic and naturally divided available. Okay. The less recharge potential, ability added area, water logging and solid problem, impact of the climate, the groundwater is. This is the major issues. Okay. Follow some groundwater issues states. Okay, Rajasthan over exploration, deep water level, groundwater quality silently about 93% area shows. Okay, 20-meter level of the maximum water level in about 100 meter below the groundwater level. It's showing the year and the value in the AMSEM. Okay, this is the red color is the draft and the blue color is the recharge. Okay, the map of Rajasthan, map of the Sika jump. Okay, this is the follow some groundwater issues states. Haryana, Bihar. Okay, so for the wastewater agriculture and the industrial purpose state of groundwater utilizes range. Okay, the Bihar major groundwater issues are arsenic, contamination affecting. Total of villages 88 and 39, arsenic affected villages 223. This is the total population 7.52 lakhs. This is the population affected village is 7.68 lakhs. This is the percentage of population living affected village is the 28%. From the this is the groundwater pollution. This is available arsenic. Okay, this is the Tamil Nadu groundwater is the only source of irrigation is 80%. The groundwater level high concentration greater than 1.50. In the Maharashtra, over exploration stage of the groundwater development has increased over the period of time. Okay, this is the overdraft of irrigation purpose. Sustainability and avail for irrigation addition can be the under cultivation. Okay, this is the Maharashtra state. Then a harmful effect of groundwater pollution. Which type of harm? Effect of groundwater pollution. The effect on agriculture, effect on environmental ecosystem, domestic effect, effect on the industry. Okay, the groundwater pollution directly impact on the agriculture, ecosystem. Okay, domestic effect on the industry. So this is the effect of agriculture. The use of wastewater and polluted surface and groundwater which contaminate crops and transmit disease to consumers and farm workers. Deposition and deleterious chemical in the soil leading to the loss of soil fertility. Okay, effect on environmental ecosystem. Okay, the smell, decolorization, increase the temperature, contamination, change the pH, decreased oxygen, detergent, that create a mass of white foam in the river water. Enrichment of groundwater with salts, nutrients from irrigated lands, eutrophication, algae, and blues. What is the effect on the reservoir activity? Water treatment for plants, water provides. Okay, what is the effect of the installation activity? Water treatment plants, water providers, loss of acidic value, algae, colloids, water. This is the effect of the ecosystem and environment. Many types of. Okay, the domestic effect, toxic substances such as lead, mercury, cadmium, and the chromium or cyanide, which may be affect the use of the recycling water or the domestic use of for aquatic life. Okay, and industry also, boiler scale, heavy metal occurs, unpleasant taste and odors to drinking water, suspended particles, all are directly impact on the through the industry on the okay from the groundwater. This is the many types of available. Suppose from the industry, okay, the particle cause of unpleasant taste and the decrease in the drinking water. This is the all of the states. Okay, this is inland salinity, coastal salinity, xenosic, anthropogenic. This is how much effect. This is the water. Okay, groundwater management. How to manage the groundwater? Anyone define groundwater management system? Anyone can? No. to groundwater management. This is the groundwater management. This is the topic. Okay, let's discuss in the next class. Okay, how to manage the groundwater. The manage the with the complex interaction between human societal. Okay, human society activities and the physical environment. This pose an extremely complex and a difficult problem to solve for the benefit of all particles involved. Okay, this is the groundwater management. Thus, the first is the artificial discharge irrigation loss wastewater returns. Okay, then natural recharge, excess rainfall, surface water seepage, indirect recharge, and aquatic leakage. Okay, these three are depend on the aquifer storage. This is a groundwater resource. Okay, the three are the artificial recharge, natural recharge, and indirect recharge. Okay, and aquatic leakage is a depend on the three aquifer storage. This is the groundwater resource. Then sustainable groundwater. Okay, then after this is the sustainable groundwater. Then economical benefit, environmental benefit, and human benefit. So from the water for development groundwater, okay, abstraction of agriculture industry, and the water for environment groundwater discharge, the surface water and a coastal zone, and the best water for the people groundwater supply, drinking water, and the livelihood. So this is the sustainable groundwater from the economical, environmental, and human benefit. Okay, this is the sustainable groundwater, aquifer storage groundwater resources. This is the artificial, natural, and the indirect discharge. Okay, this is how to the this is manage the groundwater management system. Okay, so this is the how to manage the groundwater. Define. Anyone can how to manage groundwater. How to control the groundwater pollution. Okay.
सर प्लास्टिक को
या क्या शेड
जो सर मतलब नॉन डिग्रेडेबल सब्सटेंस है उसको मतलब लैंड में जल्दी नहीं फेंकें, उसको रिसाइकल करें, रीयूज करें.
How to control? This is not possible to not throw the plastic bottles in the open area, but how to control the groundwater pollution? You day to day use the fertilizer. Farmer.
कोई भी
बोलो. There's a farmer day to day use the suppose we just previous this slide discuss किया था कि in the state of Punjab and Haryana, okay, 163 to 188 kg per hectare, okay, use the fertilizer in the farming time. So this is the main problem, groundwater pollution. This is the main issues. They created from the human beings, not use the organic farm, use the inorganic farm. Why reason? What is the reason for the use the inorganic farming process or use the fertilizer? For the growing plant, मतलब मेरा उपज ज्यादा हो इसलिए यूज करता है ना.
सर
हाँ बोलो.
सर कल एक यदि मतलब क्विज में जो था ना सर, उसमें एक क्वेश्चन था सर
इसमें
कि नाइट्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन, उसमें सर टेस्ट में सर,
हाँ
उसमें क्वेश्चन था सर कि नाइट्रोजन 78%, ऑक्सीजन 21% होता है इन्वायरमेंट में बाय वॉल्यूम या वेट. उसमें कंफ्यूजन था सर बड़ा.
क्या कंफ्यूजन था?
वॉल्यूम होगा कि वेट होगा सर?
सर वॉल्यूम या वेट? एक्चुअली 78% नाइट्रोजन है।
यस सर।
20% है तुम्हारा ऑक्सीजन, मतलब 0.9%
21
होता है,
लगभग।
और CO2 0.093%, समथिंग यही रहता है।
वही सर, बाय वेट की बाय वॉल्यूम, वही समझ में नहीं आ रहा था, मतलब बड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो रहा था।
तो क्या तुम डाले हो?
हम तो वेट डाले थे सर।
बाय वेट सही है।
यस सर।
सही है, वॉल्यूम से
वेट ही होगा सर।
हाँ वॉल्यूम, गैस को तो हम लोग वेट कर सकते हैं ना, फील करके। उसको वॉल्यूम में
हाँ
कैसे?
सर, वॉल्यूम कोई भी शेप दे के वॉल्यूम कर सकते हैं।
हाँ, किसी चीज को शेप दे के ना वॉल्यूम, बट
वेट में तो सर मॉलिक्यूलर वेट किए होंगे, उसमें
हाँ हाँ,
मॉलिक्यूलर वेट होता होगा। कि ऐसे तो वेट तो कोई भी गैस का 0 लेते हैं हम लोग, तो मॉलिक्यूलर वेट होता होगा।
सब तो फुल में फुल मार्क्स लाया है।
सबको सर एक ही जगह मिल गया था, एगो देखते हैं। हम उसमें बड़ा कंफ्यूजन हुए थे। और एगो था सर, एगो सस्टेनेबल ये रिसोर्स,
सस्टेनेबल,
उसमें भी डाउट था सर। सस्टेनेबल रिसोर्स,
हाँ उसमें क्या डाउट था?
तो सर उसमें ऐसे तो हम दूसरे से पूछे कि भाई क्या मार रहे हो, तो उसे बताया तो उसी का अनुसार मार दिए। लेकिन हमको लगता है कि सर जो होगा प्लानिंग, मतलब प्रेजेंट को देखते हुए प्लानिंग करना चाहिए, ना कि फ्यूचर को देखते हुए, क्योंकि सस्टेनेबल रिसोर्सेज क्या होता है। लेकिन आंसर था सर, आंसर दूसरा चीज था। लेकिन मतलब हम सोच रहे थे कि ऐसे होना चाहिए क्या कि अगर सस्टेनेबल रिसोर्स, मतलब जब एग्जांपल देखे उसका, तो सोलर सिस्टम, सोलर एनर्जी, विंड एनर्जी, सब था। तो ये सब को हम लोग, ये सब तो कभी खत्म होने वाला चीज है नहीं। इस सब को फ्यूचर के लिए क्यों सोचे, बचाने का क्यों सोचे जब खत्म ही नहीं होगा। तो वही लग रहा था कि बड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो रहा था, लेकिन इसलिए बोले जो है मार लेते हैं। लेकिन यस सर, क्वेश्चन बहुत अच्छा था सर।
चलो ठीक है सर।
बहुत बहुत एकदम एकदम न्यू दिख रहा था, बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा था देने में।
हाँ, क्वेश्चन दिए
अभी
तो
तक
थोड़ा सा
सब
कि ऐसा ना लगे कि एक्चुअली जो मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम का एक्चुअली ये ना लगे कि बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है, बट क्वेश्चन इज इजी, बस दैट थोड़ा ट्रिक था।
क्वेश्चन इजी था लेकिन बड़ा मतलब न्यू क्वेश्चन था। इजी तो था लेकिन क्वेश्चन मतलब कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि हम लोग पहले देख चुके हैं, ऐसा नहीं था।
हाँ हाँ,
एकदम डिफरेंट वे में था। अभी तक सेव करके रखे हैं, बहुत जगह मतलब क्विज करवाते हैं उसी सबसे एक दो क्वेश्चन लेके।
चलो गुड। तो डिस्कस्ड ऑल, तो सबका ठीक है। तो दिस इज हाउ टू मैनेज द ग्राउंड वाटर। एक्चुअली ग्राउंड वाटर मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम एक अलग ही अपने आप में, मतलब एक अलग वो बुक ही है, ग्राउंड वाटर मैनेजमेंट, कि हाउ टू मैनेज द ऑर्डर ऑफ ग्राउंड वाटर। Okay, then now this is system, groundwater system. Okay, the all are known. How do you run off, evaporation, precipitation. Okay, all are the how to inject the wheel, treatment plant. All are the, this is the so in the image how to affect the groundwater. Okay, how to discharge the groundwater. The surface water discharge to the groundwater. Okay, the components of GW management. This is the groundwater management. The three components: the supply side management, groundwater system aquifer, and the demand. How do the supply side management? What is supply side management? And the groundwater system. Okay, the demand side management. So that depend on the component, three components. The demand is the third. Is the first you how to supply. Okay, how to manage the supply system. Then aquifer management, groundwater system, and the demand. How much amount water demand for the cities. Okay, this is the demand side management. This is the components parts of the management, groundwater management system. Okay,